gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me.
Hey guys, so I'm just finishing up in the studio doing a lapel mic test for the new DJI lapel mic that I have here. So that's what some of this stuff here is around, and I thought, you know, I'm going to do a quick video. This will be a short one. Before I get into what I'm going to talk about, I just want to make sure I take the time to say thank you for being viewers of this channel over the last few years. And in that time, I try to provide content that is useful, entertaining. Maybe you can learn something about a new product or be introduced to something that you hadn't seen before in a way that you hadn't thought of using it, for instance. Try to do it a little differently. So when I find things that I'm looking to try to find the answer for, I also try to put it on the channel to help you guys, the viewers, because that's what this community is all about, is being able to help each other. And your constructive comments help me as well understand where you're coming from when you have questions, when you have comments on certain content. It's good that we can have this kind of correspondence and grow together on this channel. So I just want to thank you for being an involved member of this channel. I really do appreciate it. And to that end, I have accumulated some great products that I don't use very much, and it seems a shame. Some of these are great products, and I just have so many different things that I can't use them like I'd like to. So what I've done is I set up a shop on Gear Focus. I reached out to them, and I'm going to put a bunch of products on Gear Focus. And I want to tell you guys about it first, because when I release this video, I'm going to turn on the products for sale in this Gear Focus site, and they're going to be really good deals. Most of like the drones that I'm putting on here, I flew maybe 2 or 3 times. I test these, I show you guys these products, and I might fly them one other time. And I just don't have time to keep flying all of them. So I want to offer them to you at a great discount. So something that might be a $400 drone, you might get for $150. Some of these, I'm going to couple other things with it just to be fun. I'm going to offer the drone and then maybe 2 drones for the price of 1. Again, as a thank you, I want to make sure I have this available to you guys first. I just don't want to put it for sale and have anybody from the general public. I want to make sure I give you guys the first shot at it. So once you see this video, go ahead, take a look. So with that, I just wanted to make sure I took the time to give you guys a little benefit of watching this channel with Gear Focus, and to say sincerely thank you for being loyal viewers and subscribers to this channel. Without you, I'm just some guy sitting in the dark talking to himself, and that's just not right. So thanks again for being here. Till next time and next video, good flying.